okay? And that is called F strings. And now this is not, we've just left string methods. This is not a string method. This is just a modifier that's been built into Python in a more recent version because we decided that string.format was kind of lame. It's too much work. So they said, how can we make this easier? So we came up with F strings. And F string just looks like this. Now, if we just take our variable names, the names of our variables, and put them in placeholder marks, and throw a lowercase f right before the opening exclamation, the opening quotes of a string, then it becomes an F string, and it will automatically just pop those into it. It's really straightforward and easy, and it is my preferred method, and I'll show you. So if I've got int age and str name, and I say print, and I throw a little f right in front of that string, I can say, my name is str name, and I am int age years old. And boom, it just pops them in there just like that. So I don't have to make up extra placeholder values. I'm just using my variable names directly in that string, and it just inserts them. And I can still use formatting codes just like I did before, right? So when I run that, if I wanted to add decimals to something or display it, force that display, I can do that with the formatting code just like I did before. So the same formatting codes work as string.format, but this is much, much easier, okay? And so, yeah, this is the one I prefer to use. I never use string.format in any coding, like ever. This is way easier and way faster. And it doesn't force you to come up with additional stuff, okay? So F strings are kind of the way to go.